汤山红芽，肥而不腻，趴而不烂，吃起来是典型的江苏味，回口会感觉到一种淡淡的泡参加泡椒的鲜味。有酒绵长，就是把火焰闭到，只看得到红光，看不到火焰。自制的豆瓣儿，边来丢山红芽，生姜末，泡生姜，泡海椒。东坡肘子最终做得好不好，还是关键看各家的泡菜的质量好不好。
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make one popular Sichuan dish, Dongpo Hock, Dongpo Hock. After we burn the skin, we have to scrub the black burning part off, or the bitterness will affect our final dish. Canola oil is used here, which comes with very high smoking point. We do not want to set up the alarm. Doubanjiang, you can find this in any Asian groceries. Keep sauteing the bean paste until the color starts shining and the aroma gets stronger. Mix them well with the sauce. And a little drizzle of cooking wine along the side of the fry pan.